The Motivation Assessment Scale, also known as MAS, is a tool used to measure motivation in individuals. This scale was designed to assess the motivational processes that influence the behavior of individuals with developmental disabilities. The MAS consists of 5 subscales measuring sensory, escape demands, escape attention, and tangible motivation. Each item is scored on a 0 to 6 scale, with high scores indicating higher motivation levels. The original MAS consisted of 16 questions. It was then expanded to include new items that better fit the needs of individuals with developmental disabilities. The latest version consists of 57 questions and takes about 10 minutes to complete. You can use the MAS to evaluate individuals with developmental disabilities. It can help you understand why they exhibit certain behaviors and provide insight into the motivational processes that influence their behavior. People who typically use a motivation assessment scale are psychologists, behavioral therapists, social workers, special education teachers, caregivers of individuals with developmental disabilities, and other mental health professionals. To use our motivation assessment scale, follow these steps. Download the Motivation Assessment Scale template off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details at the top of the form. Answer the 57 questions, which are divided into 5 subscales. Each subscale has at least 10 questions scored on a scale of 0 to 6, 0 being never, 1 being almost, 2 being seldom, 3 being half the time, 4 being usually, 5 being almost always, and 6 being always. Tell your patient to respond with the answer which best reflects them. Examples of some of the questions on this assessment are: does this behavior occur when you stop paying attention to this person? Does this person always have access to a particular food, item, or activity in an effort to avoid this behavior? Does this person spend much time alone in an effort by others to stop this behavior? Lastly, using the score sheet in the template, score the response and assign a ranking to each motivation based on the average score. This will indicate which motivations are most vital for the individual. Here is a sample of our motivation assessment scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our motivation assessment scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.